YouTube to IGTV. And I'm going to show you how to take videos and upload them from your desktop. I'm also going to show you how to take videos that you already have on YouTube and transfer them over to Instagram TV. Go to Instagram.com. Right? Once you're at Instagram.com, click on, in the upper right-hand corner, your little profile button. That will take you to your profile. Now you'll notice the difference here between the mobile profile, which you'll see right here, and the desktop profile. Okay? The main difference is that there is a tiny little IGTV tab. And when you click on that IGTV tab, you'll see that I've uploaded a few videos, and you'll also see an upload button. If you click that upload button, you can drag and drop a video here, you can do a cover photo, details, description, and do all of this from your desktop. This is pretty cool because you might have a lot of videos already on your desktop and you don't want to have to transfer them over to your phone or whatever, right? So that is how you upload from your desktop to IGTV. But what if you already got YouTube videos that you would like to upload from YouTube to IGTV? You can't do that, but you can download these videos from YouTube and then upload them from there. But you'll notice your video must be vertical, between 15 seconds and 10 minutes long, and an MP4 file, and less than 3.6 gigabytes. These will probably change based on a number of things since IGTV is super new. But if I come over here and I grab this URL, there's a program called 4K Video Downloader. And if I pull up 4K Video Downloader, I can paste that link, click Download Clip, it will parse that video, and then it will download an HD version, if it's HD already, an HD version of that video into a little folder. Then from that folder, you can upload it to Instagram. So let me show you how to do this. Download video. We want it to be an MP4 because it says MP4 over here. So we're good with that. Let's go high definition, and we'll go download. Click on this little button and go to Show in Finder. And then on Show in Finder, let's get rid of this, you now have the actual Legend of King Arthur, which is this video. Now, before you can just upload it to Instagram, you've got to turn it on its side or crop it down because Instagram will not accept horizontal videos. And so what I have to do now is bring it into a video editor. If you don't have a video editor, you'll need to get a video editor. If you're on a Mac, ScreenFlow is great. OBS might work for Mac and PC. If you have an Adobe subscription, then you can use Premiere. I'm going to use ScreenFlow. Drag this in like that. Okay, and you'll see that it is not vertical. I've set up a vertical document here, and so I'm going to have to rotate it. This one kind of works in a vertical and a horizontal format, right? But if you have a video where it doesn't work in a vertical or horizontal format, then you might need to crop it. And by cropping it, just find the relevant information that you've got like this, and you can export it like that, right? And so then I can come in and I can draw it this way. Now I actually kind of like this version more than the other version, so I am going to leave this cropped. Okay, and I'm going to make a copy of this. You know, do what you got to do to make sure that this is vertical format. Now the next problem that we have is that I'm at 10 seconds over. So I've got to figure out 10 seconds where I can cut off. I cut that off. Okay, and now at the end of this video, it should be under 10 minutes, and it is by a couple seconds. Now I can export this. Okay, so once that is exported, go find where you exported it, drag it over, and drop it where it says drag and drop video file. While that uploads, your title, add a description, add hashtags, all that jazz, and when you click post, then it will post it to IGTV from your desktop. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to watch more of my videos, then you can subscribe here and subscribe on IGTV and follow me on all kinds of different stuff. You can find all of those things at CoreyCure.com. We'll catch you guys later. I'm out.